And in this video, we're gonna check it out working. There it is there, burning away. Here it is here, firing away. And because I'm a crazy boy, I want to show you everything. That's the laser beam firing, hitting the mirrors, working its way all the way into that mirror, down into that mirror, and into there. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. And there you go. Quick test. It already home. It works. Gotta fine tweak it, but it's gonna be beautiful. You like what you see? Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below.